Welcome to the 2021 Trading Game Recap. Now, it's been a crazy year, I know, but us traders continue to find profit opportunities even during crazy volatile markets, super high inflation, and other economic risks. That's because our profession is unique. We can find advantages when others are fearing the uncertainty. So we can literally take our life circumstances from this to this. As we head into 2022, I wanted to personally thank all of you for taking action when nobody else did. When China said no to Bitcoin, you bought it. When the economy reopened, you did the right thing and invested in oil. And when the dollar gained strength and things were uncertain, you sold Euro USD for a profit. And we're a big family now. A whopping 1.7 million new students are learning and trading together with you from 98% of the world's countries. Despite my best efforts, I haven't heard from the scientists in Antarctica. I hear the internet connection is less than optimal there. And connection matters. How else could you have completed 621 million trades in our real-time market simulator? We helped as best as we can by sending you over 500 free trading signals and opportunities handpicked by our team of analysts. On average, each new user this year made 365 trades, which is plenty of trading experience for a real money account in 2022. So if you're hungry to change your life, you can actually start now with as low as $50. I've seen your trades, you have plenty of experience. This year, we also received more messages of support than ever before, along with thousands of great ideas and feedback on how we can make the trading game a better experience for you. We listened, and we have already implemented them in our upcoming big update. Unfortunately, like travels and plans were delayed this year, I'm sorry to say that our big update got pushed back as well. Rest assured, we heard you loud and clear. Soon we will launch a small technical update, and soon after that, we will publish the brand new version of the trading game. We have hours of content, new bulletproof strategies for you, prizes that you will be able to win by trading, indicators, signals, and so much more. I actually need to wrap this message up and get back to the computer working with teams worldwide on making this the go-to app for beginners who want to learn to trade all asset classes, all market conditions, and seize every opportunity 2022 gives us. Whatever happens in the world, we will be there to help you as best as we can. As always, no ads, no payments, no commitments. Your only commitment is your own success in the financial markets. So thanks for being a part of this family. Thank you for the support. Without you guys, none of this would have been possible. But we're just getting started. Happy 2022 and Happy New Year from the Trading Game team.